Before watching the video, you need to read the paragraph at the top of page 16. Once you have read the paragraph, you can then watch the video. Number 1 says, how many total parts are in each person's recipe? Well, to find the total parts, all you have to do is add both parts together. So for Adam's recipe, we would take 4 plus 8 to give us 12 total parts. Go ahead and try Bobby, Carlos, and Zeb on your own, and when you're done, press play. Number 2 says, for each recipe, write a ratio that compares the number of parts grapefruit juice to the total parts in each recipe. If possible, simplify each rate. Well, if we start with Adam, we want his total, or his part grapefruit juice, which is 8. Grapefruit juice is right here on the bottom, over his total number of parts, which we just did in part 1. We said that Adam had a total of 12 parts. 12/8 can be simplified. You can divide both sides by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So you should have 12 parts grapefruit over 3 total parts. Pause the video, try Bobby, Carlos, and Zeb on your own, and when you are done, go ahead and press play. Number 3 says, which recipe will make the punch with the strongest grapefruit taste? In order to compare all of the ratios, you need to have a common denominator. So you need to go through and figure out what the common denominator is and switch all of the fractions so that you can compare them, and then tell me who has the strongest grapefruit taste. Press pause and answer number 3. You should have found that Zeb's recipe will have the strongest taste of grapefruit. If you did not get Zeb as an answer, I want you to go back and rework the problem. If you are ready to continue, you may continue on to number 4. Problem number 4 says, for each recipe, write a rate that compares the number of parts lemon lime soda to the total number of parts in each recipe. So we're doing the same exact thing and we did with numbers 2 and 3, except this time we're using the lemon lime soda instead of the grapefruit juice. Go ahead and try numbers 4 and 5. Push pause, and then when you have the answers, play the video. After solving numbers 4 and 5, you should have found that Carlos' recipe will have the strongest taste of lemon lime. If you did not get Carlos as an answer, you need to rework your problems and see what you did wrong and try and get Carlos for number 5.